The Safavid dynasty, Persian, Azerbaijani, Sfalar Slalsi, was one of the most significant ruling dynasties of Persia, modern Iran, after the fall of the Sasanian Empire, following the Muslim conquest of Persia in the 7th century AD, and is often considered the beginning of modern Persian history. The Safavid Shahs ruled over one of the so-called gunpowder empires, one that had neither the power, wealth, nor longevity of the empires of the Ottoman, its rival, nor the Mughal, its occasional ally. But they ruled one of the greatest Persian empires after the Muslim conquest of Persia and established the Twelver school of Shia Islam as the official religion of their empire, marking one of the most important turning points in Muslim history. The empire presided over by the Safavids was not a revival of the Achaemenids or the Sasanians, and it more resembled the Ilkhanate and Timurid empires than the Islamic Caliphate. Nor was it a direct precursor to the modern Iranian state. According to Donald Struizand, Al-Taq, the Safavid unification of the eastern and western halves of the Iranian plateau and imposition of Twelver Shia Islam on the region created a recognizable precursor of modern Iran. The Safavid polity itself was neither distinctively Iranian nor national. Rudolf Matthey concluded that Tehaf not a nation-state, Safavid Iran contained the elements that would later spawn one by generating many enduring bureaucratic features and by initiating a polity of overlapping religious and territorial boundaries. The Safavids ruled from 1501 to 1722, experiencing a brief restoration from 1729 to 1736, and, at their height, they controlled all of modern Iran, Azerbaijan, Bahrain, and Armenia, most of Georgia, the North Caucasus, Iraq, Kuwait, and Afghanistan, as well as parts of Turkey, Syria, Pakistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. Unlike the Ottomans and the Mughals, the Safavids did not gradually extend their territory over successive generations. Rather, in an initial burst of religion-infused enthusiasm, a blend of Gulaw, Turco-Mongol conceptions of kingship, and the folk Sufism of the Turkmen, they reached their geographical apogee almost immediately, soon lost large chunks of territory, mostly to the Ottomans, and spent much of their history contesting that loss and protecting against further territorial constriction, until they rather suddenly succumbed to rapid collapse in 1722. The Safavid dynasty had its origin in the Safaviya Sufi order, which was established in the city of Ardabil in the Azerbaijan region. It was of mixed ancestry, Kurdish and Azerbaijani, which included intermarriages with Georgian, Circassian, and Pontic Greek dignitaries. From their base in Ardabil, the Safavids established control over all of Greater Iran and reasserted the Iranian identity of the region, thus becoming the first native dynasty since the Sasanian Empire to establish a unified Iranian state. Despite their demise in 1736, the legacy that they left behind was the revival of Persia as an economic stronghold between East and West, the establishment of an efficient state and bureaucracy based upon checks and balances, their architectural innovations and their patronage for fine arts. The Safavids have also left their mark down to the present era by spreading Shia Islam in Iran, as well as major parts of the Caucasus, Anatolia, Central Asia, and South Asia.